Yep.
So you guys want to switch?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Let's open surprise! Yeah, I have a match with you.
Okay. You have the same things.
Yeah.
Wow.
We need to open Oh. I need to open the map.
Okay, open the mask. Let's see what you've got in there.
I'm opening this. Rocket. I need another help. I need help, Daddy.
Help to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna open.
Okay, I'm coming.
Show. Oh, wow! Oh, it's 2 months. Oh, no.
So a lot of masks you've got.
Now I want to try the mask.
You want to try the mask? Which of the mask?
This mask.
This one? No, you didn't. You didn't put it properly. Try to put it properly.
I have to peel it.
No, it has to go. No, it has to go behind your back. The elastic has to go behind your head. Exactly.
Dad, I need help.
And then you bring it to the
I
front.
want to get the bring out. How?
No. Exactly.
Get it.
You got it?
I'm a mask, buddy.
Max Bunny.
It's so cool, Daddy.
It's so-
cool.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Oh, you're the best dad in the whole wide world.
Really?
Yeah. Let's open the egg now. It's the egg. It's toxic. Don't open it later, Billy. No, just open it now. Because I want to see which surprise is it. How you open this, Daddy?
You find it difficult to open? Do you want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let me come and open it.
I think I know.
You got it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm so sure.
Gola is using her teeth to open it. Do you want to show your sister how to open it? Fola, look at it so that you know how to open it next time.
Okay.
Careful with your teeth. What do you say, Fola? What do you say to baby?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's
How
good.
you open too? It's so hard.
It's so hard. Take a bite and see whether it will open. Fola has almost finished it.
Nothing is in there.
Are you sure? There's
Oh,
a
I'm sure.
no, something is in there. So, believe me. Is it yummy, yummy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Take a bite of the things here because I think you're gonna mix them up.
You don't want to mix them up?
I want chocolate egg. Hey, Mama. I want this pizza bun up.
Yeah, you should be able to open it, Fola.
Yeah, I need help.
No, you can open it yourself. Go and try it.
Daddy,
Sit down.
see?
Sit down and you can open it. Sit down and try again. You always have to try.
I want to put it inside and the honey. bubbly.
Follow? Why don't you shake it? Just shake it like this.
Wow, it's hot.
It's making some noise.
Wow, it's so cute. Where's my eggs? Wow, I really cool. I need to open it.
You don't open it. It's just look at it. Look at the screen. You see that it's changing. Bend it again. Everyone change. It shows you various images. Look at it. See it's changing. Baby,
Yeah.
do you notice it's changing?
Where's the hot bunny? I not see a hot bunny. You mean this? No, I hot bunny.
You mean the mask?
No, a hot bunny. You mean this? Yeah. It's hot, hot, hot.
Oh, up bowling. It's right there.
Yay! Hop, 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 like a bunny.
Up like a bunny.
Hop, 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 like a bunny. Hop, like a
Check whether you can bend the bunny. I think the bunny is, you can bend it. See?
Oh, it's so even awesome.
It's awesome, huh?
And you can put it back.
You can put it back too.
And you can do it here. You can brush it.
You can bend it as you wish and you still straighten it up. Do you like it?
I need to like this.
Yes.
I need to open it like this. Wait, no.
Can you bend it like you wish?
It's open Play-Doh, Daddy.
Yes, go and try to open it, Fola.
Please open it.
You can open it. Try it first.
I'm not.
Fola, try it first.
Help me.
No, you try it first, Fola.
I'm gonna help you.
Fola, have you tried the mask?
I keep it surprise. This bubbles.
Fola,
Yeah.
you should try the mask.
I'm going on a walk.
You're going for a walk?
Going to work. So I have to open. I need scissors.
Do you like the sound it makes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's even talking. And always spin. And pop. Another.
Baby, what are you holding?
I'm trying to open plastic.
Okay, do you want me to come and help you?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No? Okay.
Do.
Mm-mm.
It's really good slime.
I think it's very hard to open. Let me help you. No, baby, you're gonna hurt yourself.
Now I can open it.
Fola, what's the color of the thing you're holding? The noise maker. What color is it?
Orange
Orange and
and yellow.
yellow. That's good.
I'm fixing like this one. It's all broken.
So broken.
Yeah, it's not red.
It's not broken.
See?
Wait, that one can't swim. No. Baby, come. Let me come and help you open it. Okay?
See, baby did it. What, baby? It's so awesome.
So awesome.
Yeah. Oh, baby's awesome. Thank you. And I'm gonna put it in there. Let me help do the rest of my team.
Okay. Do you want help to help me? Do you need help so that I can help you cut it? Like,
I'm gonna cut it a little bit.
give me. Let me come and
I'm
help
going
you.
to work too.
Yeah.
I'm going to work.
Yes, I know.
I'm going to work.
What book is that? You got a
The
private.
princess.
The princess what? Let me see.
For last
Show me.
sleeping.
The Sleeping Beauty.
I want to read it.
You want to read it? That's good. We're gonna read it tonight before you sleep, okay? Oh, you want to read it now? That's good.
Oh, baby. Where is the mask? I think you mix them up. And the rest of it. I want to go what?
Not yet, not yet. Wait for baby.
I'm going to work. I'm going to work in so.
Baby, let me come and help you with that, okay?
Baby, which X does that? Let me see. No. Whoa.
I think it's Fallow's egg. I'm not sure.
So yeah, it's the last egg because I see my purple egg there.
Okay.
I see after egg. I see a so magic.
Fala, what color is that one?
Orange.
The egg? I'm talking about the egg. What color is that?
It's purple.
Okay. Baby,
What's that?
you're gonna tell me the colors of all the Play-Doh.
No.
It's yours, Fala.
Another cup of this bubbles.
Yes, hold on for a second, okay? Fala, wait.
So that is hot.
So what color? Tell me each color, okay?
Miss Orange.
Give me. Before you put it in there, tell me the color of each one.
Orange.
Yeah, it's orange. That's really good.
Everything makes sense.
Yes, Paula. I know.
I think
Okay, let me.
Iris, that's so nice.
Okay.
Let me see your blue. Okay.
Tell me your colors. Purple.
Purple,
Okay.
yellow,
Yellow.
green,
Green.
red,
Red. That's really good. You know your colors.
orange.
Orange. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
I think you got everything. So put it in the basket. In your fish.
I'm going to work. Wait for me. Okay. I'm just going to work. Let's go to work now. I'm putting sticker. I'll open this. What's wrong?
Bend it a little bit. See, it's coming out. Wow, I see the bubbles. Oh, I see the bubbles all over the place.
It's bubbling.
Bubbles.
Look at the princess. I'm gonna blow the
Whoa,
princess
look
away.
at all the bubbles.
Now it's getting on my book. I'm trying to catch them.
Whoa, that's a lot of bubbles. You guys are having fun.
Daddy, try, Daddy. blow that. You can blow.
Don't worry, you blow it.
It's not blow.
You have to blow it slowly, like baby.
Got it. I almost got it. Ooh, it's a little one.
No, try it again. You always have to try things, right? Try it again, Fola.
This. Fola, you just do like this.
You see? And then blow it slowly. Slowly. See?
Look, I
Lot of
touched one
bubbles.
bubble.
Yes, you caught it. I saw it.
And it has water.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done. I tried to catch Fola's. I'm done.
No, you can. You got one bubble? Whoa, that's amazing.
Big one.
That's a big one right there. Whoa, I see it. It's a big one. Nice one too. What are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna pop it.
Okay.
Pop.
Pop.
I'm going to work. Me too. I'm going to work. I'm going to work. Only said but Kevin. I got two bubbles.
That's
I got
nice.
2 bubbles. And I'm gonna pop in.
Yeah, you guys are so funny.
Now what? Let's take another. Out.
Uh-oh, that's nice.
I do the now let's do our play. Yeah, I want to start here.
Gonna do the Play-Doh?
I'm gonna do the play.
Should I give you something you can do the Play-Doh on?